Unraveling Shy Away, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, shy away. Understanding such phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's explore what shy away means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. Shy away is a phrasal verb combining the word shy, typically meaning timid or hesitant, with the word away. When someone shies away from something, it means they are avoiding or evading it, often because of fear, dislike, or lack of confidence. This phrase doesn't necessarily involve physical movement. It's more about a person's willingness, or lack thereof, to engage with a situation or topic. Subsection 1. Personal situations. In personal contexts, shy away might refer to avoiding social situations or difficult conversations. For example, even though he's great at art, he shies away from showing his work. She shied away from discussing her feelings. Subsection 2. Professional scenarios. In a work environment, this phrase can be used to describe avoiding responsibilities or challenges. As a manager, you shouldn't shy away from making tough decisions. He's a brilliant coder but shies away from leadership roles. Subsection 3. General use. More broadly, it can be used to talk about any form of avoidance. Many people shy away from talking about mental health. Don't shy away from trying new foods when you travel. When using shy away, remember it often involves an element of avoidance due to reluctance, fear, or discomfort. It's not used for physical movement away from something. For instance, you wouldn't say, "He shied away from the door," unless it implies avoiding a situation associated with the door. Let's solidify your understanding with some practice. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to frame a sentence using shy away. 1. Scenario. Someone avoiding giving a public speech. 2. Scenario. A person hesitating to try adventurous sports. 3. Scenario. Avoiding a topic during a conversation. Provide a pause after each scenario for viewers to think. That's a wrap on shy away. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, exploring such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills. Stay curious, and don't shy away from challenging yourself with new phrases and expressions. See you in the next video.